Hi, first grade. It's Mrs. Olson here. We're going to work on some phonics together. So I'm going to place a marker for each sound I say, and then we're going to blend those sounds together to make a word. So our first sound is eh, t, eh, t, met. The word is met. Let's do another. The first sound is eh, eh, men. The word is men. Good job. Let's do another. Our first sound is The next sound is and our ending sound is d. Red. 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 Let's do one more. This time our beginning sound is s. Our beginning sound is s. Our next sound is and our last sound is all. All. Small. Help me say the sounds of each letter as I put it in the box. S, t, e, p. So we can blend it together to say step. Good job. Our next first sound is p. The middle sound is eh, and the ending sound is pen. So this word is pen. And the last one. Our beginning sound is b. The middle sound is eh. And the ending sound, it's not just one L, but two L's. But when we say them together, we make one sound. Ul. Bell. This last word is bell. Now I'm going to give you a minute to sound out these words on your own. Start with the first one. P, n, pen. Keep going. Now I'm going to read the words and you check your answer to see if you were right. Pen, red, Rex, bell, gets, wet, Jen, 10, bed, deaf, vet, small, smell, yelled, dressed, headed, packed, spelled, smelled, sled, step, bread, block. Next we have two sentences. A lot of these words have a short S sound in the middle. Tell Meg to get 10 eggs. The red fox fled to its den. Now you read them. Good job. Now friends, yesterday we started talking about when we add ed to the end of a word. What does it mean when you add ed to the end of a word? That means it already happened. So instead of saying I yell, because that's happening now, you can say I yelled. That already happened. Instead of saying dress, I dress, you can say I dressed. That's something that already happened. So this word is call. If you did not call today, if you called yesterday or the day before, you would add an ed to the end. Call, ed. That turns the word into called. That means it happened before. It's not happening now. It's not happening in the future. It happened before in the past. So this last word is pack. 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 So what should I do to make this word happen in the past or before? I should add ed, so it says packed. Good job. And last, please review the high frequency words on page 10 and 11 on your Readers Writers Workshop.